Billy's come in today to be vaccinated. Because he's a young dog, we're going to give him a course of 2 injections, one today, one in a fortnight's time. After that, he will need a booster once a year. It's important to vaccinate him to protect him against some very serious diseases, which include distemper, hepatitis, parvovirus and leptospirosis. He'll now get his injection in the back of his neck. A vaccine gives the dog a little bit of the disease that we're trying to protect against. The body will recognise that and produce some antibodies, so that at some time in the future, if Billy actually comes across the disease, his body will know that and actually protect him from it before he gets ill.